Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with charged gear and Bluetooth on. This reduces interruptions. Open the Jabra case and leave earbuds inside. Now press and hold the pairing button for about 3-5 seconds until the LED flashes. This signals pairing mode. On your phone or computer, go to Bluetooth settings and keep the list visible. Once done, make sure the device is close and not connected to another source, because active connections block pairing. You'll see the Jabra entry appear. Select it promptly. If the system asks, accept pairing or enter PIN 0000, this secures the link. Wait for the confirmation tone from the earbuds. It means audio and controls are synchronized. If you plan stereo use, verify both left and right are active in audio settings. Once paired, make sure media volume is low before testing to avoid loud surprises. If your device shows connected but no sound, check output selection. You finish by testing playback and the microphone with a brief call or music clip. This confirms full functionality. If one earbud is silent, reinsert and reconnect because seating affects connection. Make sure your device prioritizes Jabra for audio. If pairing repeatedly fails, perform a factory reset. Remove from Bluetooth list, then press and hold the earbuds buttons for about 10 seconds until LEDs flash.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.